Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change your profile picture in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Accounts from the list. Go to Your Info. Look for Adjust Your Photo. You can take a photo. Click on Open Camera if you have a webcam. Take a photo to make it your profile picture. You can also upload a photo. Go to Choose File and click on Browse Files. A new window will open. Select the image that you want. Click on Choose Picture. You can change it again. Go to Choose File and click on Browse Files. A new window will open. Select the image that you want. Click on Choose Picture. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!